students, welcome to my YouTube channel PMM class. In this video, I am going to discuss the noble metals, the uses of metals, non-metals and alloys. What are noble metals? As we seen from the reactivity series, platinum is the least reactive metal. It does not react with air, water, acids, bases and most other substances. Another metal which shows a similar behavior is gold. Gold and platinum are called noble metals. Advantages of less reactivity. Since noble metals are least reactive, they are not chemically affected by the substance around them. Hence, they do not get tarnished, that means loss of shine, and retain their luster for a very long time. Why do gold and platinum are used for making jewelry? As they retain their luster for a very long time, they are also highly ductile and malleable. They can be drawn into thin wires and can be beaten into thin foils. It is because of these properties that gold and platinum are used for making jewelry. Gold can also be used for plating other metals like copper and silver. Platinum is used in dentistry and in making scientific instruments. Is pure gold used to make jewelry? Pure gold is very soft, therefore, it cannot be used to make jewelry. Gold is alloyed with copper and silver. These alloys retain golden color but are harder than pure gold. What is carat? The purity of gold is expressed in terms of carat. Pure gold, that is 100% gold, is 24 carats. 22 carat gold means the 22 carat gold can be prepared by alloying 22 part of gold with 2 part of either copper or silver or both. Uses of common metals. Metals have been an integral part of our daily life since ancient times. They have played an important role in development of different civilizations. Even today, metals are used for a variety of purpose in our day-to-day life. The most commonly used metals in everyday life are iron, copper, aluminium and silver. Now the use of iron. Iron is the most widely used metal. It is used for making cooking vessels, water boilers, stoves, toys, tools, pipes, agricultural implements, chains, wires, nails, bolts, electromagnets, and so on. Uses of aluminium. Aluminium, being a very light metal, is used for making cooking vessels. Its thin foils are used for packaging of foodstuff and medicines. Uses of copper. Copper is the widely used for making electrical cables and other electrical goods. It is also used for making cooking vessels. Uses of silver. Silver is used for making jewelry, decoration pieces, tableware, etc. Silver, being highly malleable, can be converted into thin foils which are used for decorating, but it is commonly used for electrical fitting because it is very expensive. Silver and gold wares are, however, used for high precision electrical contacts in computers. What is alloy and uses of alloy? An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal. By adding appropriate amount of metals or non-metals to form the alloy, the properties of given metal can be modified. Alloys are generally stronger, harder, and more resistant to corrosion than the pure metal itself. Uses of some common alloys are mentioned here. Uses of nonmetals. Nitrogen in the form of fertilizers is essential for the growth and development of seeds and plants. Phosphorus is used in matchbox industry and in fertilizers. Iodine is used as antiseptic. Sulfur is used for making firecrackers, gunpowder, and sulfuric acid. Oxygen is essential for survival. Next, diamond, a form of carbon, is used in making jewelry, in cutting glass, and for grinding of tools. Graphite, a form of carbon, is used in batteries and in pencils.